Oh my God, can you believe this project we have to do for Professor Howard?
Good Lord, doesn't he know we have a life? Okay, remind me what we have to do again.
We have to do this whole thing where we pretend that we have been assigned to a leadership position in a struggling school and we have to come in and save the day.
Wow. That is so lame.
Tell me about it. Big waste of time.
You know what? We got this. Professor Howard is such an excellent teacher. He is amazing in every way and we have learned so much from his class. He has prepared us to take on this challenge.
I really like your attitude. Okay, let's get started. We have been assigned as the new special education coordinator for the school. First, we will need a mission statement.
No problem. This is gonna be fun.